Okay, this little legume, you can see we've got it compared to the white clovers, the ladino clovers here. This is strawberry clover. The claim to fame of strawberry clover is that it's compared to other legumes, it has very good salinity tolerance, very tolerant to salt. It's also very tolerant of wet conditions. So on a lot of western rangelands may have salt problems or wet salty soils and saline seeps. This is a plant, if you want a legume that can grow in those type of areas, this is one of the products of choice. Not many legumes have very good salt tolerance. This is one of them. Very low growing. I like to use it as an orchard or vineyard cover along with the white, like the Dutch white clover. Similar in productivity to a Dutch white type clover, but much better salt tolerance. So fits a lot of areas with it where other legumes don't.